Boy has it been one busy fall season so far. All the major players in the smartphone space have announced their offerings for the upcoming holiday season, including Huawei, who is banking on the Mate 10 Pro to make a splash stateside. On paper, Huawei's high-end is looking like a solid contender, but it is surely going to face stiff competition from direct rivals in this space, the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, LG V30, Google Pixel 2 XL, and Apple iPhone X, to name a few. So let's find out how the Huawei Mate 10 Pro will fit into the mix. Display. Squeezing in a 6-inch 2160 by 1080 full-view OLED display, its all-screen and minimal bezel appearance is also attributed to the 18:9 aspect ratio it's sporting. Again, this is another trend that's been big throughout the year, so it's no surprise to find Huawei following suit. And they should, obviously, given how it helps to cram in more screen into the body. All in all, there's very little to complain about. The display is more than detailed enough for our eyes, colors have an iridescent tone to them, and it manages to remain visible under direct sunlight. There's some distortion with the screen when tilting or viewing it at angles, usually giving it a colder, more bluish tone, but it's not that distracting.